Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how to insert watermark in Google Sheet. Okay, so if you want to print your Google Sheet page and you want your company watermark or any other watermark on your Google Sheet while printout, so it will be helpful to you. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. And before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So let me assume this is your Google Sheet page. Now you need to go to this insert option, go to the drawing, and here you have to take this text icon, just draw the text, space for text, and you can write your watermark text. Okay, just select the text like this, and now go to the increase size. You can make the bigger size, go to the bold. Okay, go to these options and make sure your background is transparent. Just click on this background image and go to the transparent. Okay, now select the all text, and we need to change the text color. Just select the text, go to the text color, and you need to click on this dark gray or any other. Okay, so I suggest go to the dark gray one. Okay, so now it's done. You can make the bigger size of text. Just select the text again and make the bigger size like this. Okay, you can also change this text from straight to this type of text like this, and it will be look like watermark. Okay, now go to the save and close. Now here you can see this is the image, and you can select this image and you can put anywhere. And if you think this is the color is dark, then just double click on it, then the drawing will be open again. Now just select the text and select the light color. Again go to save and close. Okay, okay, save and close. Okay, so now this trick will be help you if you want to insert the watermark in your page. Now insert this watermark and you can print your Google Sheet. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.